Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Vashan Brown. Burrito Investments today acquired more than 31 million shares in Proven Investments, making it the single largest shareholder in the company. The transaction was valued at nearly $10 million and puts Burrito above politician Peter Bunting as the biggest shareholder in Proven. Burrito says the investment is part of its strategy to buy into undervalued companies with unique industry positions. CEO of Burrito Investments, Paul Simpson, says the move was driven by Proven's recent rebalancing of its portfolio companies, which include its recent acquisition of 20% of the JMB Group. JMB is now in the midst of buying a 20% stake in New Sagicor. Jamaicans are being told to brace for interruptions in their electricity service over the next 2 weeks. During that time, the Jamaica Public Service Company, JPS, says it will be carrying out the final phase of testing to bring its new natural gas power plant in Old Harbour Bay fully on the grid. It says the tests are aimed at ensuring that the system responds appropriately, whether the plant is fully or partially on the grid. It says the 190 megawatt plant has been providing electricity to the grid since earlier this year, but has not yet been fully commissioned. JPS's Senior Vice President for Generation, Joseph Williams, says successful testing has already been done on several components of the plant. Currency trading ended today with the US dollar selling for $137.55. The Canadian dollar closed at $103.39. The pound is going for $174.90, while the euro ended the day at $154.98. The JC Index gained 1,955 points today, while the Junior Market Index lost 15 points. Among the winners were 138 Student Living, Siboney Group, Medical Disposables and Supplies, Pulse Investments, and the Main Event Entertainment Group. On the losing side were Jamaica Stock Exchange, Consolidated Bakeries, Knutsford Express Services, Jamaican Teas, and the JMB Group 7.5%. And that's the Business Day. I'm Vashan Brown. Good evening.